Hi guys, it's 10:44 in the evening and it's home time for me. Just waiting for this light. There we go. Samahan niyo akong umuwi. This is every day from work, from home to work, work to home. This is where I usually pass by, and this is the view in the evening. Another stop. Not much of the vehicle right now, but it's nice and smooth. Traffic on, no traffic. Ba, parang probinsya lang ang luwang, walang kasasakyan-sakyan. Ganda ng weather. It's a bit cool right now, so the temperature inside is 10 sa loob ng sasakyan, but outside just like 8 I think. So walang ka traffic, diba? Hindi siya bumper to bumper. Only 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes, depends upon the weather, pauwi ng bahay. Diba? Grabe ang luwang. Another light, stop light. Pero ibas pa umaga. Pag umaga tsaka tanghali, traffic kasi pauwian na. Tapos yung sa umaga, papasok na sila. So sa gabi lang, ganito ang road all the time. Ang sarap mag-drive pag sa gabi kasi walang kasasakyan. Almost home. Thanks for coming with me. Home time now, almost home time. Thank you. Bye for now.